What's up, everyone? That was very abrupt. It's been a while. I've been quiet for the past month, but now back to the road. We are now in France.
You should know that.
Sorry. We are now in France and we are going all the way to Bansko, Bulgaria. We're going to spend a little time there. We're going to attend the Nomad Fest that's going to happen there next week. And we're driving all the way. In our way to Bulgaria, we're stopping first in Croatia for 2 nights, then going to Serbia for another week, and finally we take the last part of the trip all the way to Bansko. So I think this video is gonna be all about this journey. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
I'm ready, I think. We have 11 hours in the road until we get to Croatia. So let's keep going.
Let's go.
Okay, first stop. What we're getting there, Mahi?
We're getting everything.
First stop in Germany, and there's a lot to choose from. Okay, time to go. Mahi is gonna be the pilot for now. The next hour or so. Let's go. Croatia, here we go. But Austria first. Third country of the trip. We are now in Austria. We just stopped for a quick bathroom break over there. It's already 6 p.m. or more, if I'm not wrong. We are a little late. If everything continues well, we're gonna get to Croatia around 9:30, 10 p.m. So we better keep going. We're gonna keep having food in the car. And now I'm trying this cinematic mode. Have you guys tried that before? Like it blurs the back. It feels like I had like a lens here. That's cool. Let's see if it looks well on the video. Okay, back to the road now. Third country, Austria. Now time for Slovenia. Everything okay there?
Yeah, just tired.
Just tired. It's 9 p.m. and we're still in Austria. We still have 1 hour to get to Slovenia. Let's go! Finally here in Croatia, after 1 zillion hours of drive, 5 countries in 1 day, we finally got here for some resting time. We're gonna spend 2 nights here in Croatia, so tomorrow we're gonna get to know Zagreb a little bit before continuing to Serbia on Sunday. Oh gosh, I'm dead. Mahi's dead. It's already past 11, so now it's time to get some rest and hopefully we can enjoy a little bit tomorrow. So good night for now. Second day of the trip. She was not ready. Cut. Second day of the trip. We are now here in Zagreb, the capital of Croatia. Today we gotta say that we took a really slow morning. We slept until 11. I don't know. We were super dead from yesterday's drive. It was a long day, so today we had to rest as much as we could. So we came here for lunch and then we had a cool walking tour. We just finished. We learned a lot about Croatia's history. And now let's walk around, take a slow night again because tomorrow we're driving to Serbia. Where are we going again?
Novi Sad.
Novi Sad. So let's go. Let's continue. So after our time in Zagreb, it's still super light. It's 8:30 and you can see how light it still is, 8:30 p.m. So we decided to drive to a town called Samobor. It's 30 minutes away from Zagreb. And we found this old castle in ruins, and you just park the car down there and you hike up the hill for like 5 to 10 minutes and you are in these ruins. Like, it's crazy. It's all open, you can just walk around. It's like almost 1,000 years old, these ruins. I'm gonna walk more, but the visit is definitely worth it. Damn, this day in Croatia is incredible. You don't think we would see so much. Fuck. Just a quick pause in this video to talk about how I'm traveling through all these countries with a peace of mind. So recently I signed up for a Safe2Win travel medical insurance, and it's pretty much a travel insurance that covers a lot of countries for a really affordable price. Like I did some research when I was comparing to other travel insurance in the market. I don't know if there's anyone better than this. Just so you know, I'm paying like $40 more or less for a month. It covers most of the countries that I'm going through. I know there's a few countries if you need to add, it costs a little more. But for me, for all of these travels that I'm doing right now, $40 a month, it covers everything, covers COVID. And a good thing is this insurance was created by digital nomads for digital nomads. So recently I also became an ambassador. This video is not sponsored, but I'm gonna leave the link here if you wanna check it out and maybe consider signing up for a travel insurance. If you do that, you're gonna be helping this channel. Let's get back to the road. Good morning, Croatia. Dobar dan. It was really nice 2 days here in the country. Really nice surprise. We felt really good, especially this town, Samobor, close to the border with Slovenia. Really cozy. The castle there, the city center was really cute. So if you're passing by, I really recommend you checking this town. But now, time for our next destination. We are heading to Serbia, our 6th country on the list on our journey to Bulgaria. Mahi is gonna start driving. You feeling good there?
I'm feeling good.
She's feeling good. We have 4 hours on the road. You paid the bill, not me. Getting closer and closer to the border with Serbia and Croatia and Serbia. And it's very hot. All your documents, Mahi. And it's so hot. I can't wait. In a few seconds we're gonna be able to wait in the shadow.
Look at this.
Okay, the European in Europe.
Gets a stamp. I'm happy.
Number 6 on the trip, Serbia.
Yes.
Now I think we still have 1 hour and a half to go. And hopefully it's not gonna be as flat as before, because it was really flat all the way in Croatia until here. So it's kind of boring to drive through flat lands.
I'll take over because Mr. is driving.
Sorry.
Alright. Bye, amigos.
Just hired this girl to do some cleaning in the car. Okay. It's not gonna be a big tip. Made it to Serbia after 4 hours and a half on the road. It was supposed to be 4, but then it took like 30 minutes on border control from Croatia to Serbia. Not bad. And we got this really cute apartment. And here we're gonna stay almost a week. And we decided to have this big break. So it's not like road all the time. We can have like some time to chill and get to know a few places on the way to Bansko. We decided to come to Novi Sad, which is north of Belgrade, and is much smaller. We're trying to avoid big cities, like, I don't know, like we like to stay in smaller places. In Novi Sad, when we were searching, we saw a lot of recommendations about this place. There's a national park nearby and also a lot of other stuff that we can check here. So yeah, we're really excited to explore Serbia in this town, Novi Sad, and I'm gonna show you what it's like, and maybe you feel excited to come as well. Almost the end of our week here in Serbia. We're enjoying today, our last day, to get to know Novi Sad and maybe some places around. Most of the week we had a lot of work, so we stayed mostly in the apartment or in coffee shops doing some work and walking around, but like today is actually the day that we can get to know the city. So in the morning we did some walks in the city center. It's really cute. Novi Sad is really nice. Like, I really like the town. It doesn't feel that big, although it's the second largest city in Serbia. It's about like 250,000 people live here. Yeah, it doesn't feel that big. And fun fact is that this is the Danube River, so the Danube passes through the town, and Novi Sad means new plantation, apparently, I guess. Let's go. Good morning, Serbia. Dobar dan. How do you say it? I think it's the same. Our last day in Serbia now. Last day of our trip to Bansko. We're doing the last push until Bulgaria, and it's gonna be 7 hours long, and I think it's the perfect timing for us to leave because it started raining AF. So Mahi's gonna start driving today, and then we're gonna change probably in 15 minutes. In 1 hour maybe.
No, 2. I can do
2 hours. She's gonna do 2 hours. We're gonna see in the end of the video. And yeah, excited. I think it's the last piece of the video. Can't wait to get there.
Let's go.
Say bye in Serbian.
Ciao. They say ciao actually.
Okay, so ciao. Ciao, Serbia. It was a nice day. I'm gonna come back. And we are finally here in Bansko, Bulgaria. We actually arrived last night, but I wanted to finish this video with this beautiful background, the mountains of Bulgaria in the back. So there you have it. And in this journey from France all the way here to Bulgaria, it was more than 2,000 kilometers, 8 days, 7 countries, more than 24 hours driving for sure. And I hope you like this journey. And tonight it's starting the Digital Nomad Festival here in Bansko, and that's why we're here in this time of the year. And if you're interested to learn more about this festival, you want to come or whatever, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna be posting more videos about the festival so you can see what is this about. And as usual, if you like this video, don't forget to leave your like. I really appreciate it. It always helps with the YouTube algorithm and all this stuff. And that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next Tuesday. Bye!